Model, 2017 Peugeot Boxer 335 L3 Diesel 2.0 Blue HDI Luton 130 PS Plus Body, White, Luton, box with tail lift mileage, 100959 MOT, 17 November 2023 Engine, 1997 cc DW10 FUD Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Head gasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurizing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows EU status, Euro 6 HPI, clear.